Hey guys, Ethan Zelbs covers some more back today with the brand new baseball card opening video. Today I have a 2018 Panini Donruss hobby box. This is my first look of Donruss this year. Excited to see them in person. You usually get 3 autographs or memorabilia cards in here. There is Ohtani in here. So we'll see what we get. Excited to see them in person. You guys let me know if you've done any Donruss. This is my first look. Probably, if I like them, probably try to get some more. Put Cody Bellinger on the front. You guys let me know what you think. Just done a few other boxes. Go check out my other videos. So here's the base if you haven't seen them already. Frank Thomas. Cool design to them this year. Look a lot different than past years. There's the backs. Pretty nice. Nice. Rookie of the Year, first pack. Aaron Judge. I think that's a short print or a name variation up at the top. It says ROI. Jose Bautista, Diamond Kings. Nolan Arenado. I'm not sure what all the short prints and everything is. Looks like a couple of these per pack. I think these are inserts. Maybe just part of the base. I'm not sure. Mike Trout. If you guys see anything I missed, just let me know. Joe Morgan, Clint Frazier rookie. Nice, Cody Bellinger. That's just a basic thing. Probably a bunch of Bellinger and Judge in there. Yachty. Got a thick one here. Might be a hit or a decoy. It's a decoy. French Connection. Andre Dawson, Gary Carter. That's a cool picture. Avisel Garcia, Ron McMahon rated rookie, Brian Dozier. Yeah, these must be, okay. They must have the name variations. See the names up at the top? That one's a nickname, Klubot, and the regular Corey Kluber. I think they've done those past years. Ron Sandberg. Nice. Nice hit right here. Aaron Judge, numbered out of 999. Long ball leaders. It's an awesome card. Numbered out of 999. 52 home runs. Nice shiny card. I'll lay that to the side. Willie Calhoun rated rookie. Mike Trout, Diamond Kings. Here's Evan Longoria. Giants. It's a very nice Judge. First hit here, maybe. No, it's another decoy. All-star infielders. That's nice. Barry Larkin, Gary Sheffield. Pretty cool pitchers this year. The Lion. No Syndergaard. Diamond Kings, Adam Jones. Nice. Andrew Benintendi. That looks like a black and white background. You guys let me know on that. For my PC, Andrew Benintendi. Not sure if that's a short print or not, but it looks like a black and white background. Not sure. Haven't done any research on Donruss this year. I'll lay that to the side though. I don't know if the odds are on here. Kind of looks like I think black and white maybe. I don't know if that's a parallel. Nice, another Benintendi. So a lot of Benintendi cards from my PC. New ones that I don't have. That looks like some type of insert. Nice, Rafael Devers rated rookie. Looks like our first auto, Kyle Farmer for the Dodgers. Nice. Kyle Farmer. Lay that to the side. Corey Seager. Pepino Man. Shout out. 2 back-to-back Corey Seagers. Jose Abreu, Alex Bregman, Matt Olson, Kyle Farmer. Did he play in the World Series? Trying to think. A name sounds familiar. You guys let me know. Here's a Mookie Betts. Nice. Numbered out of 199. Looks like a bluish green. Here's a KB. That looks like one of the black and white backgrounds too, plus a nickname. Mickey Mantle, nice. Bumgarner, Mike Trout, Kershaw. So just like every year, a lot of cool parallels, numbered stuff. Andrew Miller. Here's a Jose Ramirez, numbered out of 49. Nice. Paul Goldschmidt, Cutchin, Victor Robles, rated rookie. Looks like a hit in here. Alkaline, Verdugo, Manny Machado. Another Cody Bellinger. And next hit, Greg Bird jersey card. Nice. For the Yankees. George Springer. So probably one more hit, probably another relic. Here's a nice Stanton, numbered out of 249, out of this world. Giancarlo Stanton. World Champs, cool pick. Springer and Correa. Rizzo, Mookie Betts, Diamond Kings. Dominic Smith, rated rookie. Here's our last hit, looks like. There's another Mickey Mantle. And Jarrell Cotton jersey card. The next pack. Dustin Pedroia, Bryce Harper, Cody Bellinger, unanimous Rookie of the Year. Tony La Russa, autograph, nice. So I got another hit, Tony La Russa, manager autograph, numbered out of 99. That's pretty nice. Tony La Russa. He managed the Cardinals and Oakland. Not sure if any other teams. Nick Williams, All Rise, nice. Aaron Judge. McCutchen. Kershaw. Joey Votto. There's a Miguel Andujar for the Yankees, numbered out of 500. Rated rookie, foil. Chris Bryant, Mike Trout, Verlander. So a few more packs to go. I think I got all the hits so far. Paul Goldschmidt, out of this world, number out 999. Those are cool cards. Here's the backs of those. Aaron Judge. Here's another Benintendi. Awesome. Steven Strasburg, numbered out of 307. Altuve, Ian Happ. Bryce Harper, Diamond Kings, Millville Meteor, Mike Trout. Another Aaron Judge, Diamond Kings, ton of Judges and stuff. Hopefully he has another good year. Here's American Pride, Casey Mize, numbered out of 199, or out of 999. Chris Bryant, Rizzo, Scherzer. 2 packs left. Bellinger. And Miguel Cabrera, numbered out of 187. So that's it. Do a quick recap. A lot of numbered stuff. Parallels. Autographed Tony La Russa. Jarrell Cotton jersey card. Greg Bird jersey card. Kyle Farmer auto. And a nice Judge, numbered out of 999. So hope you all enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.